Hello, people. How are you? Hello, hello, hello. I probably should have grabbed a warmer of the month that's on the porch. We'll do that during the week. We'll come back on and we will do that during the week. I just happened to think of that because Jeremy and I were standing at the window and we were like, "What did they deliver?" And I was like, "I know what's in the one box, but I don't know what's in the other box." Oh, I think it's somebody's party. I think it's somebody's party. She did a flower party and all her friends and coworkers did all the flowers. I think that's what's in there. I think. All right. We are where I need to be. That's what I need to check. So I thought we would dive in to tell you guys what I'm warming this week. You guys messaged me last week and were like, I really liked that. And I was like, okay, cool. So here we go again. First, haven't warmed it. Snow White. There's a little bit of berry in it, I'm smelling. But mostly clean and floral. Definitely a bathroom scent, but it is good if you like fresh and floral. Like I said, there's a hint of berries in there. Just a hint. I like it though. But it's definitely exactly what I expected. It was supposed to be like floral, outdoorsy, clean. I mean, that's her vibe. So, Kind Hearted is what it is called. Let's dive into what I'm using this week. Now, I didn't grab everything. I'm using Arctic Kiss Scentsy Fresh on the couches. Still using Magnolia Linen in the bedroom, Scentsy Fresh. Still using Frosty Air in laundry, in whiffs and laundry liquid. I'm still using Johnny Appleseed Swipes. I'm almost out. I have one fall one left. What do I have? Yeah, I have one golden garland from the fall collection. I'm kind of hoarding it, so I'm like, but I do have some on order. But I'm still using Johnny Appleseed Swipes. Counter Clean, I am using Golden Garland too, I think. That's what's on my swipes too. I mean, my Counter Clean on the kitchen counter. I know it's yellow and it's not Squeeze the Day, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I should have grabbed it. I didn't even think about it. Car, I put the Sweet Lime and Peach circle in Jeremy's truck when I drove it the other day on Sunday. And then, because I was like, I'm gonna drive in this truck if it doesn't smell good. And he got in the truck. I was like, did you notice your truck smelled good? He's like, I did notice that. So, and Lemon Lime Fizz is the scent circle that we put in last week. It's still in there. So, done. Now, the house. I did not warm nearly as much as I usually do because I'm OCD. And St. Patrick's Day was on Monday. So, I wanted to switch out my St. Patrick's Day to Easter stuff. Well, I had to wait. Well, normally I change my wax on Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and then the weekend. So, I couldn't change it on Monday because I was like, I'm not going to change my wax, and then I'm going to change everything over to Easter stuff on Tuesday. This is a glimpse into my crazy brain. So then I waited until Tuesday to switch all my St. Patrick's Day stuff into Easter. And then I just switched the scents then on Tuesday. But I couldn't switch it again on like Wednesday or Thursday because I didn't feel like, I was like, they're fine. So I didn't change them again until today. It's just my crazy brain. That's how it works. But let's see what I've got going on here. I'm a mess. That's what I have going on. I like doing this because it's kind of neat to see how much I do use. And then, but I do hate it because it's a mess. But that's okay. That's okay. Now remember, as a consultant, I have a lot of partial bars, meaning like I have a lot of bars because I will make samples for you guys, or it was like the scent of the month or something like that. So I will have a lot of bars that I have like 3 cubes missing, 4 cubes missing, stuff like that. And I try to stay consistent and use scents that are current for you guys so that I can give reviews and stuff like that. Well, then these bars get shoved to the back of the pile. So I'm trying to be very good about, once again, my OCD. I have a cart, a 3-tiered cart in the kitchen, and those are kitchen scents and desk scents, and they are organized on the top via how many cubes they have left. So I'm starting with the ones that only have like 2 cubes or 3 cubes. I'm like, we're gonna get through those. Now bedroom and bathroom, it's all willy-nilly. But so I did an event on Sunday I don't normally do events, but somebody contacted me and said they had a Scentsy consultant fall through right at the very last second, and they had told people that Scentsy was going to be there. Would I be willing to do it? And I was like, okay, I did it. First of all, I'm really, really happy that I did do it. And we are doing 2 fundraisers next month for the organization that I did the event for, but we're going to still keep focusing on the Ronald McDonald House. But I love the fact that January, February, March, I had a fundraiser going on for the Ronald McDonald House. And now April, we're going to have another fundraiser. My goal is to have a fundraiser every single month. I want to be able to use my platform to be able to give back. And that's super important to me. And especially to organizations and causes that are near and dear to me. And the next 2 are animals. So I'm super excited. But when I was going through my stuff and trying to figure out what to bring, because again, I don't do events, so I don't have, like, people who do events, they have stuff that they purchase and they set aside and it's organized and it's like ready to go. Like, this is their event stuff. I don't have that. So I was like, crap, what do I grab? So I'm like going through all my stuff and I'm grabbing things, and somehow, some way in my stock stuff, I had these 3 bars that only had 1 cube each in them. So I actually blended orange dreamsicle, key lime pie, and mandarin toffee treat in the desk warmer, 1 cube of each. It was so good. These were from the last Bring Back My Bars, so it wasn't like they were forever long ago, but these, I was like, they was so random. Then I found all 3 and I'm like, all right, we were going to throw all 3 of these in the warmer, and it was fruity. It was so good. It was fruity. It was kind of like Luck of the Rainbow. It was kind of Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loopy vibe. Delicious. I was really sad when I changed that out. Then, let's see. That's today's. I used Balsam Spice in the bathroom. Jeremy he likes his piney scents. Again, not available, but I did. They're not up there anymore. I have a 6-pack of bars that I grabbed for Jeremy right before the season switched over because he likes pine scents. Here's the deal. I don't know why I did that, because he has a warmer in his office at work, and I couldn't even tell you the last time he changed his wax. Like, I could not tell you the last time he was like, babe, I need a new bar. So why did I buy him a 6-pack? I don't know, but I did. So Balsam Spice was in the bathroom for him. Evening Sky, which is available. I did this in the bedroom. It's so good. It's watery. It's a tiny bit floral. Just a tiny hint of floral. A little sweet. I love a good water scent. It is good. But this one has that little sweetness in it, which makes it nice. Then today, I used my last one. I'm really, really sad about this. This is the Ariel scent. Ariel Under the Sea. It is the best. Oh my god. It is the best flippin' ocean scent. It's salty. It's watery. It's 100%, 100% sitting on a dock, sitting on vacation on a deck, eating next to the ocean. It is salt water perfection. And I'm so sad. I didn't club it, and I used it all. I had waited long enough. And my goal, like I said, is to go through and use all of those partial bars that I have. And my first task when I go and change my wax is I always look. For my mini warmers, I use 1 cube. And I'm like, okay, let's look. Which bar has 1 cube in it that I can use? And it was this one. And it was so sad. So sad. So the bedroom, we used Ariel and Evening Sky this week. Bathroom, we used the Balsam Spice, and then this Mamba Jamba, a brick. Several years ago, during COVID, I think. So as a consultant, I am able to get the scent of the month in a kit where there's more than 1 bar. Like, I get, I think, 6 or 7 bars, some pods, a bunch of other things to help us as consultants, right? Back during COVID, when the world was wackadoodle, we, instead of getting bars, we got a brick. A brick is big. Brick is big. Y'all know this. And if you don't, there's the size comparison. Bar, brick. Much, much bigger. So they take a lot longer to use. And so this is an old one. This is Jade and Jasmine, and it's Sexy Man. I just stuck it in the bedroom. I mean, in the bathroom. It is sexy, sexy man scent. It's so good. This is another one that I kind of am hoarding because it hasn't been back since. So if you don't know, that's just the oils, not a big deal. On a brick, and we'll go over this again when bricks come back out, cut it into 4s and 1/4. 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 piece is equal to 1 cube here. All right, so I sliced it in 4. I already have some sliced up. I stuck 1 in my mini warmer. Off we go. So it lasts for a really long time. But so bathroom, we used balsam spice and jade and jasmine brick. Desk was the 3-peat, the 3 random, but that just goes to show you, just throw those random 1 cubes in, 2, mix them up. Mix them up. I have truly never mixed a scent that I hated at all. Like I the only downfall I've ever had is I will throw scents together and then I'm like, I don't know what I used. And it smelled really, really good. So, throw them in there. Seriously, just throw 3 cubes, throw 2 cubes and mix them up. That is one of the best things about our wax. A candle is a candle is a candle, right? You can't mix it. It's just the scent is the scent, right? Well, that's the huge perk of this, and especially because our wax is in smaller cubes, you're able to mix. If you're going to mix in a mini warmer, you would slice your cube in half. And since our wax is really soft, you can just use a butter knife. Truly, that's all I use. You can use a butter knife, cut it in half and do a 1/2 cube of one scent and 1/2 cube in another in your mini warmer if you want to blend in a mini warmer. But otherwise, just throw 2 cubes in, 2 different scents, off you go. I share with you guys a blend every other week. Try it. It's game changing. It really, really, really is. And I always say 1 + 1 = 3 in Scentsy Land. You have 1 scent plus 1 scent. It's going to equal a 3rd scent. It does. So in the office warmer, I used the 3 here, and then I used the scent Lemon Heaven from our Easter collection. If you liked Lemon Drizzle Cake last year and you're super sad that it did not come back, this is what you need. It's not as sweet as Lemon Drizzle Cake was. That was delicious, that one was. But it is cakey vibe. There's a little bit more lemon in it than Lemon Drizzle Cake. Less cake, more lemon, but still good. Think kind of like a lemon meringue. Okay, I have it going in the warmer right now. It is divine. It's really good. It is not hugely overpowering. I think sometimes lemon can be a bit muchish. It is not. It is very good. It is a very mellow lemon scent. I think it's because it's got that bakery vibe in it. This weather. But I think it's got that vanilla in it. Vanilla has a tendency to calm down scents. It's really good. It's a delicious scent. Then I switched out my tabletop fan, which is now called the Scentsy Air. I don't know. I don't remember. Don't hate me for it. Don't get mad at me. I don't remember the new names. I don't like change. So the tabletop fan, I switched mine out to the Easter one with his ears. I showed you guys a picture where he's got the ear up and he's got the ear down. I love him for his ears. It's so cute. So when I switched out my fan, I put in new pods, and I had a surplus of sparkling spiced cider from the winter. It's very fruit punchy with like fall fruit punch. So between all of the fruity scents, because we had the mandarin, the key lime, the orange, the lemon, all this week in the office warmer. Then over there by the clock is the pod. So we had this going in there. It's been a fruit palooza in the living room. Then last I did the diffuser and I grabbed the oil. I use my I love my diffuser. I'm just lazy. There are times when I just don't want to get up and put water in it, oil in it, but I'm always happy when I do because it's the best thing. It truly, truly is. So today when I did it, I did Soft and Subtle Cuddles oil, and this is from our holiday collection. We a lot of times do those 3 packs, those tins that have 3 different oils in it, and those are the ones literally that I use. That's it, only those. One, the bottle is much smaller. And I like that because you don't use a lot. Like this bottle will last me possibly well over a year. I kid you not, because you're going to use like 6 drops, 10 drops maybe. That's it every time. So you're going to have even these tiny little bottles for a long, long time. So I always do these oil trios that we have from time to time. I love them. The only downfall is if you do love them, like they do sell out pretty quick and you have to buy the 3-pack again. That's about the only downfall, you know, that's about it. So other than that, I absolutely love them. Soft and Subtle Cuddles smelled like not what I expected. It's kind of orangey lemonish, cookie-ish. Like I expected it to be super, super clean. It's not. It's citrusy. But it was good. So it has been a fruit palooza, like I said, in my living room with this one, the Lemon Heaven, the Sparkling Citrus Cider, the Key Lime, the Orange, the Mandarin. It has been super fruity in here and it's been amazing. So there you go. That's what I've been using this week. I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4 bars and a pack of pods this week. It was a low week. Oh, I did forget one. Kitchen. What did I use in the kitchen? Why do I feel like I forgot something? What did I switch the set over to? Now I gotta look. Because I'm like, wait, what did I use in the kitchen? I didn't tell you guys what I used in the kitchen, so let me look. I know what I'm using now, but what did I use before now? That's so odd that I did not grab that one. Why did I not grab that one? Hold on. It should be... Oh, I used from the Harry Potter Honeydews collection. I used Exploding Bonbons. I was like, what did I use? I just forgot to stick it with my pile. I was like, so lost. But I am using right now Keep on Blooming. It is our scent of the month for next month. It is very floral. It's just floral. It's just floral. I don't hate it. It is pretty strong, but not huge. It's not bad. Like, I'm not hating it in the kitchen. I'm usually not a floral fan out there. I'm not mad. I'm not mad about it. I think it does have a little bit of pear. Let's look. Like I said, it is out there on the desk. I mean, not on my deck. It is floral. It's got cherry blossoms, dewy greens, and crisp pear is what is in it. Yeah, it is floral. I'll be honest. It is floral. It is kind of perfumey. It is, no offense, but it is kind of old lady-ish. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Like, it is kind of a grandma scent, but I don't hate it. Like I said, it goes perfectly with the warmer that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Like I said, it is on the deck. I will grab it and I will try to go live with it this week. I had a couple appointments and stuff like that to do this week, but other than that, I will make sure that I get hopped on here so that you guys can see it because it is beautiful. Beautiful. If you got your newsletter, you got a sneak peek of it, so you've seen it. All right. I think that'll be it. I won't clean up my mess. Have a good rest of your Saturday. It is actually here sunny again. It was very, very gloomy all morning. But it's blue skies right now. It's blue skies and sunny. So you might want to run outside and like snag up some sun while it's here because I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I think Jeremy said like the whole week is kind of crappy weather. So I needed to pick a season. All right. I will talk to you guys later.